In this lesson, we're going to review the RAND formula. What is the RAND formula? Well, the RAND formula is used to insert a random numeric metric or value which is greater than 0 but less than 1. This can be used if you're trying to insert random percentages within a worksheet because decimals in Excel can be treated as percentages. And this formula will return decimals. Note that every time you refresh the screen, the data will randomize. And therefore, when you use this formula and you want to create some random data and store that data, the best thing to do is to copy the data after you generate the random information and then store it somewhere in your worksheet through a copy and paste special values. So let's take a look at the formula in greater detail. The formula is just equal to rand, open parentheses, and then close parentheses. There's no required value to use in this formula. You just need to type equals rand, open parentheses, close parentheses, and then hit enter. Let's take a look at an example. In our example, we're going to insert random small values, i.e. between 0 and 1, into the data table below. So we've got a bunch of different letters in column C. We've got the months of January through June in columns D through I, and we want to insert some random percentages within this table. Now, keep in mind if I wanted to change the percentages, i.e. in cell D26, we've got 26%. If I hit the percentage sign, or 27%, I could multiply this by a certain dollar amount or a certain number to generate different figures and different whole numbers. For instance, if I were to multiply cell D26 by 100, it's going to return a result that is 2 digits. If I were to multiply it by 1,000, it returns 3 digits. And if I were to continue to add a 0, it would increase in value. But if I want to undo that and just get percentages, then I just need to put in equals rand, open parentheses, close parentheses, and then press enter. I copied that formula all the way throughout the table, and what it's doing is it's giving me random percentages. As I previously mentioned, every time I open up a cell and modify something, regardless of whether it's within that formula or outside that formula, it's going to change the percentages. So if you just need randomized data, I would suggest using this random formula, but then copy it and paste special values of that data somewhere else, as I'm going to do here, and then at least I have that data stored of the random information.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training videos.